Hi guys, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today, it arrived this morning. I have the brand new tooled Hawker Tempest MK.V. So this kit was announced in January of last year. And we've been waiting about 14-15 months for it. And just before we go further, I want to thank Gilly from Airfix, bless her heart. She helped me get this kit a bit sooner than normal, basically because I had paid up 12 months ago. My bank card had expired, so I had to repurchase it. But fortunately, she was able to put in the Bugatti as well. So I've got that to review in a minute. But yeah, so I basically got next day delivery from DPD. She upgraded it for me. Thank you very much. You know, I always think customer support from Airfix is fantastic. Anyways, let's move a bit forward, shall we? I have this Tempest here. It's lovely to see this one in the range. I think, if I recall, it was first released back in 1978, right? And they've had quite a few tool-ins since then. So, yeah, a year before I was born. And then now in 2021, they've retooled this Hawker Tempest MK.V. Just quickly, this kit was actually released by Airfix, but it's an original Hella tooling. So in 1978, Hella released it as a new tooling. 1989, Airfix released it under their own brand, and then they released it again. But this is the first time that Airfix have their own tooling of the Hawker Tempest MK.V. So this kit's available from Airfix now, £11.99. I will leave a link in the description box down below to take you there, and if you're a club member, you get 10% off. Artwork, again, fantastic looking artwork. You've got a German fighter plane there getting shot down. It comes with two schemes, all right, so good box art. Side of the box, again, you have the spiel there of the warnings, a little logo there to say that they're cartographed decals, which is fabulous. Side of the box art again, plus the code, which is A02109, 1 to 72 scale Hawker Tempest. 1 flying hour with this kit, which is good. So it's a skill level 2. You're going to need quite a few paints there, all right? So if you take a screenshot of that, that's the paints you need. And then the pilot is the bog standard 61, 62, 81, 96 and 121, all right? So, side of the box telling you one of the finest airplanes of the Second World War, the Hawker Tempest V, could trace its design lineage back to the Hurricane fighters. So a little bit of information there. Two schemes, the aircraft flown by Wing Commander Roland Prosper B. Beaumont, number 150 Wing from Kent. And you've also got the number 486 Squadron, Royal New Zealand Air Force. Royal Air Force, Castle Camps, Cambridgeshire, England. So you've got two schemes there you can play with, all right, which is good. And that's basically everything on the box. So let's have a little look inside the box. Inside the box, you get your instructions, which we'll look through in a minute. You get your decals, and you also get your bag of sprues. And it's quite a packed kit as well to have a look through. Let's have a quick look at the decals, or the decals, whatever you want to call them. And because they're cartographed, they're going to be very crisp. Lots of fine detail there. There's a cockpit decal there. Moving on through, you can see lovely, crisp looking, nothing off center, not too fat. Really, really nice decals there. Just moving through. And there's not a lot of difference really. The common ones are all on the top, as you can see there. Then if you want the 150 wing, there you go with the invasion stripes. Quite a few bits going on there, because it looks like you can put them on the undercarriage as well, on the flap, on the doors of the undercarriage. Yeah, all cut out there, really nice, you know, to have that all cut out. Really, really good design work there. Then up close, you also have the number 486 Squadron numbers and letters there as well. Brilliant. So there's the decals. Make it a bit bigger. Right, there's the instructions. Obviously, you're going to start off with Pilot seat, pushing all things together. Then I'll do the cockpit, dashboard. So you're building up these 3 pieces first for the cockpit, then you're doing the air intake there for the front. All looks pretty together. And paint inside some interior cockpit green there. Moving through there, you're also putting all the pieces together, making up the back gearing. There's the cockpit all together, and there's the front of the air intake. Then you're building up the wings, adding some extra struts inside. B2, B3, which I'm assuming you can use as you might be able to use them as masks. So you cover these for the gearing up, or do that with the gearing down, and you can drill 2 holes there for the aircraft stand. So if you want the gearing up, there you go. There's some aircraft stands there. Tell you to drill some holes there, some light indicators going in there, and then basically it looks like it's 2-piece wings straight down on top, which is nice. I'll look in a minute. Or before you put the fuselage on, you need to do the pedals and the stick. Before you put that down, you can see that. Put that down there. And it looks like it clips underneath. So as the wing goes in, it clips in underneath the air intake, which is quite a nice... so you don't have to glue the back end, I suppose, if it fits in nice there. That'd be nice. Put on the fins at the back and the rudder. And you can either, if you've got the gearing up, you put the door in. If not, you're going to put that rear wheel in, and then the two side panels there. Gearing down there again, so you've got your hydraulics there and your legs onto the actual flaps there on the door. Moving through, there's the angle that you want. Pretty straight up, really, not too difficult. There's like one place to actually glue to cement them in, so they're not too bad looking there. And then you've got your arm there, the other parts of the gearing underneath as well. Keep on moving through. Not too much difficulty here, I don't think. Wheels on, and you've got another front flap there to go there. Sensors, then you've got your manifolds to go in, so you can paint them up, giving you an option there. So you've got 2 options, have you? Oh no, oh, I see, there's 2 parts and they join together. Ah, I see. I'm not looking, there's 6 on that one. I see there's 2 halves, so you put them together. Very nice detail there. And you've got a choice of propellers there, it looks like. Just want to see, oh yeah. I suppose you've got, it's 1, 2, that sits on there. So yeah, you can have a moving propeller there, quite nice. Then your pilot goes in. And that's interesting. That armour goes at the side, does it? Wow, it goes off at the side. That's interesting. And you can either have the canopy open or closed. Okay, wow. Interesting. Then you've got your call-outs here. This is the number 150 wing, New Church, Kent, with the invasion stripes. Or you can do a simpler one, I think. Less decals on this one. And it's the number 486 Squadron, Royal New Zealand Air Force. Based in Cambridgeshire, England, 1944. So there you are. Nice. So let's have a quick look at the kit itself. So you get 1, 2, 3, and 4 plastic sprues, 1 clear part sprue, and they look pretty cool actually. Really, really nice. Nicely well. They are good. Nice and crisp. Very, very nice indeed. Quite impressed with that. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. That looks really, really nice. Very well done there, Airfix. Very well done. So looking at frame A, which is the fuselage, you can see there's quite a lot of detail there in the fuselage itself. They've done a really good job on this. Trying to get the light in there as well. Can you see all that? Nice detail. Let's look at the inside of it. Some detail on the inside of the cockpit as well. There's only 172. You can't expect too much. Like, there's no Napier Sabre engines in this one. Like, you know, it's you can't like cut a side panel out and see what the engine looks like. But yeah, quite nice indeed. There's the first one. So the underside wing, some detail there, crisp, nice. As I said, brand new tooling, so there's no flash on this whatsoever. Look at that, lovely. Nice design wings. I'm just looking there. Oops, trying to get close to the camera. They have a mark on the wheels. I'm trying to see what the wheels say. Dunlop. They've got Dunlop on the wheels. Nice. On the tyre, sorry, they've got Dunlop. And then you have the top of the wing. And underneath. So you've got some good detail there as well. So you can manipulate and paint however you want, whether it's pilot. Not looking too bad. Again, he's twerking. Twerk. Look at the pilot detail there. Not looking too bad. Actually looking very good. Very good. And moving through, you got the cockpit stick, and you've got the rear gear in there. Pretty swell. Then finally, you have this piece here, which is it's a mega prop on this, isn't it? Look at the size of that prop. It is absolutely huge. It's a good sized prop on that one. And there's those manifolds there. Looks like you get to you stick them together to get the six pipe or six exit pipe, I think it's called, on that one. And then some more detail there. I think you could use the other ones as masks as you spray up, so you can, if you want to keep the gearing down. But yeah, really nice detail on this. Looking pretty good. Impressed, very impressed already by this one. And whoops, I think personally it was worth the wait indeed. So that was a really quick unboxing and a quick review of the Hawker Tempest MK.V. A really nice looking kit. Incredible some good detail in it. You're going to have a lot of fun building this kit, I can assure you. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I put a new video out. Any questions, any comments? What's your thoughts on this one so far? Leave it in the comments box below, and I do reply. And also, just wait a sec, and there's a video of me doing a challenge spraying up an E-Type Jag from Airfix. See you soon. Cheers.